Namaste everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna very quickly tell you exactly how BeyondChats AI chatbot services can be really helpful in delighting your website visitors and also helping you get a lot more people access to your services. So if we look at your own website, you already have a chatbot, which is great, but unless the users enter their phone number and email, there is no way to reach out to you in the click of a button. On top of that, it is a human-led chat solution. What that means is if people have a concern today and they come to your website, there is no way to get it resolved in a couple of seconds. They will share their email details, personal details, and then they will have to wait for you to reach out to them. What they will do instead is they will go to Google, search for other IVF clinics, and maybe go to someone else who is able to resolve their queries faster and immediately. And that is where BeyondChats AI chatbot comes into the picture. Let me give you a very quick demo of how we can really help you delight your customers. So we are already integrated on many other infertility clinics for years. So I'll give you a quick demo of how we are helping them. On Dr. Anuruddh Malpani's infertility clinic's website, we already have a chatbot integrated, and there are some things that everyone requires when talking to a potential customer. The first is, in a country like India, you want to speak the language that your visitors are comfortable in. So multilingual support is very inherent to our chatbot. If somebody asks question like मेरे बहुत सालों से try कर रही हूँ पर बच्चे नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, I'm trying for a lot of years but I'm not able to get pregnant. So the aim is not just to answer the user's question, the aim is to empathize with them, educate them, and then nudge them, excite them towards the right services of the clinic. And that is what our chatbot excels at. मैं आपकी feelings समझ सकती हूँ, I can understand your feelings. IVF treatment could be a good way for you. आपको हमारा क्लिनिक विजिट करके अपने कंसर्न्स डिस्कस करने चाहिए. It is not just answering the user's question, it is empathizing and redirecting the user to the right services. On top of it, अगर if the user is asking IVF की cost क्या है, it is giving the right details from your website, from your internal database of information. The aim is not just to talk to the user so that user talks, gets their query resolved and leave. The aim is to help the users, comfort them and excite them about your right services. And while the chatbot is doing all this for your thousands of visitors on the front end, on the admin portal, you get access to a lot of other really important features which help you convert your website visitors into customers for your services. Here is how. So the first step is, instead of just conversing, the AI based on the conversation also recommends the right actions. For example, it could be book video consultation, schedule a free demo, check out our product, so that users can easily start utilizing these services if they are relevant. And it's not just about recommending services, it is about recommending the right services. So for example, we have this another user, Aditya. He wanted surrogacy related services, decided to look for Zoom consultation with the infertility clinic. The chatbot gave them the right details, but soon the Aditya started talking about, why should I pay the doctor? What is the cost of IVF? So this seems like a cost-sensitive, price-sensitive person. So immediately, by understanding this, the AI recommended another business action, which is book free second opinion. So just like your talented salespeople, our AI chatbot is also intelligent enough to understand what is the user looking for, what are their pain points, and give them the action, the service that is right for them based on the conversation that is happening. Not just that, in the background for you as well, for your sales team as well, we have a really important feature, which is, so by talking to the users, we have collected all their data, email, phone number, where are they from. But at the end of the day, if thousands of visitors are chatting on your website, it can get hard to understand the needs of every single visitor, and then have your sales team call everybody, understand that, hey, 99% of the people are not really looking for your services, and still target those 1% who are really looking forward to your services, right? It can get overwhelming to deal with so many cold leads and focus only on the people who are really interested. So on this leads page, you get this AI analysis of the charts, which gives your sales team very clear idea of which services this user is looking for, what are their requirements, how focused should you be when targeting them. Let's quickly have a look. We have Chandni here. The AI says she's a low confidence user. If you click on this button, you will see that Chandni is looking for IVF with gender selection. Gender selection is illegal in India, not offered by the infertility clinic. So targeting Chandni may not be as good a option for you compared to, let's say, Jake here. Let's look at the AI analysis for Jake. So the AI confidence is high. Jake is researching fertility hospitals and looking for options for treatment in Mumbai. Great. A very good lead for the infertility clinic, which is already based in Mumbai. Plus, Jake has also expressed a pain point. He does not want any phone calls. He prefers communication via WhatsApp. So if your sales team directly picks up the phone, starts calling Jake, even though he needed your service, he's gonna not pick up your call, maybe even mark you as spam. all because he had specified he prefers WhatsApp communication. Now, these are the kinds of information you really need when your salespeople are reaching out, and our AI, by chatting with the user, picks up on these pain points, requirements, and gives them to your salespeople so that they can maximize their efficiency and you get the right leads at the right time. Plus, for all the 99% of the users who are just exploring, our AI chatbot is more than happy to tirelessly work and help them understand whether your services are right for them or not.